dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
It takes time to create real simple things. Stir in a little of your imagining. You can taste love all over the world. Isn't it amazing how a little sugar and cacao become perfection just by adding milk?
The Hershey simplicity of Hershey's authenticity go hand in hand.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and we feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kim to explain the next step in the process.